Hi everybody and welcome at the Fontenille Pataud workshop. Glad to introduce you today our Laguiole Magnum weightless corkscrew. First, notice the groove in the blade. This helps you to unfold easily this blade. This quality blade provides a smooth edge sharpen in the traditional method, unlike serrated blade. This fine cutting edge will not tear the metal foil on your bottle. After you have cut and removed the foil, simply fold the blade. Then, unfold the corkscrew. The Laguiole Magnum corkscrew has an ergonomic handle. This provides a more comfortable grip. Place the tin into the very center of the cork, turning it until the first step of the boot lever and secure against the bottle. Hold the bottle and boot firmly. Raise the handle to extract half of the cork, then use the second step of the lever to remove cork completely. Our Laguiole Magnum corkscrew is now available on our website. Please don't forget to follow us on the social networks. Bye!